Ayan.
At kaya naman ngayon, ang Joe on the Go ay nagbigay ng mga bulaklak para kay Carla.
Yes.
Yung sweet blooms. Pasalamatan mo naman.
Thank you so much, Sweet Blooms. Ayan, panoorin natin yan sa Joe on the Go.
Good morning, boss, and welcome to Sweet Blooms dito sa Timog Avenue. Kung sawa na kayo sa pagbibigay ng mga flowers or sweets, I have something, an innovative new product that puts both gifts into one. At para i-explain sa atin yan, makakasama natin si Miss May De Vera. Ano-ano bang meron dito na pwede nating i-offer sa ating mga parokyano?
Mostly, those are edible flowers. We're making our own flowers fresh from the kitchen, so most of it are pastillas.
I'm kind of curious, where did you get the idea?
I think and I believe that the best way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So this is really for my husband, no? He was my boyfriend before and I know he loves to eat. So I make something for him. I always find it a point that I have kahit simple things lang like pastillas, nice presentation para naman makita niya there's an effort of giving gifts.
So nakikita ko hindi lang flowers meron tayo dito, meron din yung mga maliliit na shiny little balls na nasa jar, tapos yung mga maliliit na cake. Ano yun? Are those also edible?
Yes, all edible. Also making chocolates kasi most sweets and pastries talaga ang specialty namin.
Bukod dyan, pwede bang magpa-personalize when you walk in?
Of course, especially our new product, like if you have photos, you can eat your photos now. Made of pastillas, made of chocolate, we can do that for you. It's all personalized for your loved ones, for your friends, and for the special occasions.
Mga boss, ayan, nakita nyo na, meron na kayong idea. Miss May, saan ba matatagpuan itong Sweet Blooms?
This is our Timog Gallery, so this is the main. We make our products here.
Thank you, Miss May. O, ayan mga boss. So, alam nyo na kung saan kayo bibili ng mga panregalo na medyo kakaiba. Lalo na ngayon, makikita nyo na ulit si Crush. Ito pong muli si Joe Tamesis para sa Good Morning Boss. Back to studio.